hard to sell me because this house was built in '84, and the old windows, we was needing something done pretty bad. There was aluminum windows, old aluminum windows. I had some of them taped up, especially that one above the sink. I had tape, keep the air out. That made a tremendous difference.
Well, when you dust it, you just had a lot of dirt or coke dust in the windowsill. Now I don't have it. That's the thing that's impressed. Well, of course, we don't have the draft anymore.
He just dropped in one day.
Well, some friends of mine, Donna and Jean Warnock, told them about us.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, because they showed us the video of Donna and Jean. And they had them in their townhouse in Enid, so someone I knew, you know.
Just our windows and storm doors. Tremendous good job. I'll say that for them. Real nice, real nice.
Yeah, they were great. I think we had 2 gentlemen worked all the time.
They even had some beans and cornbread with us one day. And it's made a tremendous difference. We can tell in our heating. Of course, we haven't really been into the cooling yet because we haven't got there. But I know it'll make a tremendous difference. And my favorite window, as you can see, is this one here because we can view the birds. And they come there to drink in their fish pond and feed in their feeders. Yeah, this is our favorite spot right here, watching the birds. Well, I tell them that they've done a tremendous job with us. The workers.
It does make a difference. Like I said, the main thing for me, I don't have all the dust.